Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to show you how to use the Xenett extension in your QuickBooks Online. I'm logged into my sample QuickBooks file and I'm logged into Xenett. What you'll notice across the top of my screen within QuickBooks is that I have a ribbon of information in the upper right-hand corner. I have my dash, my cleanup, my close, my questions, and my to-do. If I were to click on the drop-down to the right, I can change my extension settings. This is different from the extensions that are in the top of Chrome. These extensions in the top of Chrome are the extensions that I have pinned. If you're not sure what pinning is, it's when you click on the puzzle piece and you say, okay, I want this extension to be pinned and readily available to me. I've unpinned it because what I really want to show you is just the extension within QuickBooks Online. All I'm going to do is just show you what each of those screens look like. In a different video, we cover the details behind the screens. When I click on Dash, it takes me to my Xenett dashboard. When I select Cleanup, it takes me to my cleanup mode. On the left-hand side, I can click on the dates and change the duration of the dates for my cleanup mode. When I select Close, it takes me to the Close screen. You can see that none of this is filled in because it's my sample QuickBooks and we're not actually reviewing and closing it. When I select Questions, it's going to take me to my Questions screen. Again, sample QuickBooks, so there really is nothing to show you here. When I click on To Do, as you would expect, it takes me to my to-do list, which in this case is invisible. I encourage you to watch both my videos on Xenett as well as other people's videos on Xenett. If you're in the beginning phases of looking at quality control apps, I encourage you to also take a look at Keeper.app as well as Scrutinize.io. If my team or I can be of help to you, please don't hesitate to reach out. We offer QuickBooks training, outsourced bookkeeping, as well as self-paced courses. You can find us at gentlefrog.com. Thanks.